Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka number 16. Without and within all beings, the unmoving and also the moving. Because of its subtlety, unknowable, and near and far away is that.
बहिरन्तश्च भूतानाम् अचरञ्चरमेव च सूक्ष्मत्वात् तत् अविज्ञेयम् दूरस्थञ्चान्तिके च तत्.
Chapter 13, Shloka 16. The self in the individual is the self in all. It is all pervading. This is explained. Without and within all beings, the conscious principle is all pervading and unmanifest, and individualized equipments become alive because of it. It is present even when no equipment is available. Like the radio waves are present everywhere, even where the radios are not present. Similarly, where there is body, mind, and intellect ready to function, there, no doubt, is the expression of consciousness. But the consciousness is present not only within the equipment but also without it, moving and unmoving. All that moves itself is alive, and that doesn't is inert. Truth in its absolute nature is motionless. There is no place where it can move, since it is all, yet conditioned by the things moving, it looks as though it has movement. Like sitting in a bus, you are not moving, yet conditioned by the bus, you are moving when the bus is moving. The eternal is not seen because of its subtlety. The grosser the thing, the more perceptible it is. Earth can be smelt, tasted, seen, and heard. Water cannot be smelt. Air cannot be seen. Space has only sound as its property. Cause is subtler than effect. The eternal substratum is the cause for space. Thus, it is the subtlest of the subtle, pervading even space. It is incomprehensible to the gross equipments of thoughts, feelings, and perceptions. It is far and near. Limited things can be defined with reference to the distance from the observer as here or there. But that which is all pervading must be at once here and there. Therefore, it is near and far. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.